Is it the right time to buy or sell Super Micro Computer stock? In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into Super Micro Computer. We initially published a report on our website on Friday, February 2, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 4, 2024, our system has identified Super Micro Computer as a strong investment opportunity, giving it a score of 3.98. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance over this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have witnessed an impressive gain of 100.7% since we first recommended Super Micro Computer as a buy candidate just 21 days ago. That's an average return of 4.8% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in an upward trend, presenting a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is likely to react back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $587.13, it indicates a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected 60.65% change over the next 3 months. The potential return during this period ranges from -2.60% to 62.73%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 97.68% change over the next year. The potential return during this period ranges from 1.80% to 99.39%. This translates to a price range of $590.05 to $1,155.74 after a year. In our latest update on Super Micro Computer, we have some exciting news. The stock has been upgraded to a buy candidate. On the last trading day, which was Friday, February 2, 2024, the Super Micro Computer stock price experienced a slight decrease of -0.663%, going from $583.50 to $579.63. Throughout the day, the stock had a fluctuation of 7.18%, starting from a low of $565.39 and reaching a high of $606. It's worth noting that the stock has been on an upward trend, with 8 out of the last 10 days showing positive growth, resulting in a 36.91% increase over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock, which indicates a positive sign as volume should align with the stock movement. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by -1 million shares on the last day, with a total of 12 million shares being bought and sold, totaling approximately $7.00 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached was $606, while the lowest price was $80. Currently, the stock is trading at a price 4.35% lower than its 52-week high, which amounts to $26.37. It's important to note that the current price of $579.63 is also the all-time high for this stock. Today, let's talk about analyst ratings for SMCI. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Susquehanna gave SMCI a negative grade with a hold action. On the same day, January 30, 2024, Wedbush gave SMCI a buy grade with a hold action. Moving back to Monday, January 22, 2024, Wedbush gave SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. Let's go even further back to Wednesday, August 23, 2023, when Wedbush gave SMCI a neutral grade but with an upgrade action. Lastly, on Thursday, August 10, 2023, Susquehanna gave SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Super Micro Computer stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as buy and the price to book as buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong buy rating. Today, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Supermicrocomputer stock. The stock of Supermicrocomputer is showing positive signs based on both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals also suggests a buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, the stock is likely to find support at levels of $521.59 and $365.64. However, if the stock falls below these levels, it would issue sell signals. Furthermore, we have a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. It's important to note that some negative signals have also been observed, which may impact the stock's short-term development. Specifically, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 1, 2024, resulting in a decrease of 0.663%. The stock is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is identified. During the last trading day, the volume of the stock declined along with its price. This suggests that the overall risk has reduced, as volume typically follows price movements. Let's explore some other signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator gives a buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands show a buy signal 93 days ago. The short-term moving average has a buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average has a sell signal 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 34 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicates a sell signal 23 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 35 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 40 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's take a closer look at Supermicrocomputer and discuss its support, risk, and stop-loss levels. When it comes to support, there are 2 key levels to watch out for. The first one is at $512.97, just below today's stock price. If the stock breaks this support level, it may then fall to the next support level at $470.19. So, keep an eye on these levels as they could be important indicators for the stock's future movement. It's important to note that testing a support level always carries some risk. If the support is broken, it could signal further downward movement for the stock. In the case of Supermicrocomputer, the next support levels to watch out for, if the previous ones are broken, are at $512.97, followed by $470.19 and $436.24. Now, let's talk about the stock's risk. Supermicrocomputer is considered to be a very high-risk stock due to its high volatility. This means that the stock can experience significant price fluctuations throughout the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band, a technical indicator, indicates a wide prediction interval for this stock. Looking at the stock's recent performance, we can see that in the last day, it had a price range of $40.61, which is equivalent to a 7.18% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 8.19%. These numbers highlight the stock's tendency for significant price movements. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Supermicrocomputer, it's important to understand some key fundamental data. Firstly, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could suggest that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate strong growth in the future. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for April 30, 2024. Today, we're going to analyze potential day trading levels for Supermicrocomputer. In an upward trend, the first resistance level for Supermicrocomputer is at $583.50. If you don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Supermicrocomputer faces its first support level at $512.97. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Super Micro Computer from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. Among the 5 most recent insider trades, Luliang Chiu Chu Sarah was involved, buying and selling a total of 2,886 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated a positive insider power ratio of 29.552. Overall, insiders have purchased 514,221 shares and sold 255,973 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $559.51, which is a decrease of 3.47%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which poses a high level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator is at 89, indicating an even higher level of risk. Furthermore, a sell signal was identified from a pivot top just 1 day ago. Is Super Micro Computer stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, we believe Super Micro Computer stock presents a buying opportunity in the short term. Several positive signals and a generally upward trend indicate potential for strong performance. Upon evaluating the volatility and recent movements, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Monday, February 5th, we anticipate Super Micro Computer stock to open at $583.67, reflecting an increase of $4.04. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view on this stock. We'd love to hear your opinion too, so please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.